Right, I'm testing out this super fancy setup for the GoPro 7. Finally got an attachment for my mic, so hopefully it has good audio. Have this light up here. Let's test this out. GoPro 7 mic super vlog test.
Just got my free Jamba Juice because of this Galaxy Watch and fond of getting free things.
So right now I'm using the Rode Video Micro microphone along with the GoPro mic attachment, which is expensive and it shouldn't be that expensive. Kind of sucks. And then I have the Sokani X1 light strapped on top of the GoPro because I did order a cage but it hasn't arrived yet, and that cage has a hot shoe mount, so I'll just be able to mount whatever. Let's see if this GoPro can be the vlog camera to save space when I'm traveling. Hey, how's the audio on here? I changed a little bit of the settings, changed it to low processing because the automatic gain was pretty loud.
Hello everyone, I'm lost in the city.
The lost boy in the city. Ano ginagawa mo?
Kasi may baby, nanganak ng baby cup si Mommy Cup. Si Mommy Cup nanganak ng baby cup. Eto.
Audio test in the car. How's the audio right now? With music playing, can you still hear my voice over the music, over the car sound? How is it? I'm talking pretty low level right now, like normal voice, not talking really loud. So let's interview Hannah. Hey, what's up?
So here we are inside the car of the Gong.
Testing out this setup even further. I got the mic attached, so let's go vlog today. I'm going to try to buy some cheap tickets going to the States at the travel convention. It's really windy right now. Can you still hear my audio well? So right now we are at Mall of Asia area and there's a travel expo here. I heard there's really cheap tickets, plane tickets, so we're gonna check it out and test this setup for today. How does it look and sound so far? How does it look and sound so far? I don't know. This is Mall of Asia area. Alright, this vlog is getting pretty random. I am now in Intramuros, which is like the original Manila. It was all enclosed in a thing. Anyways, we didn't get any tickets from the convention, and I've been editing some of the footage from here. It looks and sounds pretty good. I've been putting on this effect that makes the fisheye of the GoPro not as apparent, and I think it looks pretty good. I'll try to link that in the description. It's a free plugin for Final Cut. Makes the GoPro look like it's not as fisheye-ish. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think so far? Is it good enough for vlogging? What do you think? While they're shooting back here, looked up on Wikipedia about Intramuros. It's literally the Spanish term meaning inside the walls. So yeah, the city Intramuros was set up by the Spanish, I think in 1665-ish.
Rizal Park is what they call the National Park, and they said that's where Jose Rizal's body remains, or not burned in Paris. No one knows where it is. Kilometer 0, where everything starts.
So this is known as dirty ice cream. It's not really dirty, but I don't know why they call it dirty ice cream. It's so good and so cheap. Sa akin, kuya, dalawang flavor, yung queso at saka ube din.
Kala ko ube lang sa'yo.
Bakit?
Sayo sa
We're basically doing a Manila tour today. We're at the National Museum now. This is the newly cleaned up Manila Bay. There's so many people here right now. The water apparently is not clean though, so not advised to go swimming in there. How does this sound? There's traffic surrounding me, people surrounding me, a lot of noise, the noise of the fountain. Can you still hear my voice when we're in a situation like this? We just finished filming the sunset, and yeah, there's a fountain, busy, it's rush hour. Alright, well that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know what you thought. I think this setup is pretty good and sounds pretty good and not as heavy as regular cameras. Yeah, just on the go, pick it up and go. So yeah, make sure to leave this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. See you guys next time. Bye bye.